Recently, Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, achieved noteworthy advancements in its goal of connecting computers and human brains. An important milestone in the advancement of technology intended to improve human capabilities through direct neural interaction has been reached by the company with the successful implantation of its first brain-computer interface device into a human. In this video, we will delve into comprehensive details about the start of merging human brains with computers. Number 7. First human implant. Neuralink achieved a revolutionary first in neurotechnology in January 2024 when it successfully implanted its brain chip, dubbed the Link, into a human patient. This development is not only a major accomplishment for Neuralink, but also a turning point for the entire field of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. A group of knowledgeable neurosurgeons used state-of-the-art tools and techniques in a well-planned surgical procedure to guarantee the effectiveness and safety of the implant. The patient was the first to receive this cutting-edge technology, which enables thought-based control of a variety of devices, including computers and smartphones. The patient had experienced paralysis that restricted his ability to move. This accomplishment not only demonstrates Neuralink's technological prowess, but also paves the way for potential clinical trials and applications that may significantly improve the lives of people with severe disabilities in the future. The outcome of this successful human trial bodes well for future research and exploration in this fascinating field, as it may result in notable improvements in the quality of life for those suffering from neurological conditions. Number 6. Device functionality. The ability of Neuralink's implant to record and decode neural signals from the brain allows for previously unheard-of levels of technological interaction. The Link is fitted with a sequence of incredibly thin, flexible threads that are placed into particular brain regions so they can pick up electrical impulses produced by neurons as they communicate. Through the device's interpretation of these neural signals, users can accomplish a range of tasks with just their thoughts, like navigating a cursor on a screen, sending messages, or manipulating robotic limbs. This ability gives people a way to regain agency and control over their surroundings, which is especially transformative for those suffering from severe paralysis or other conditions that limit physical movement. The ramifications of this technology go beyond simple control. It may enable intricate interactions with digital platforms, allowing users to partake in virtual reality experiences, games, and even artistic pursuits like music composition. Additionally, as the technology advances, it might lead to applications in cognitive enhancement, which could enable people to communicate or access information in ways that were previously unthinkable, thereby extending the bounds of human potential and engagement with the digital world. Number 5. Surgical precision. High surgical precision is a defining feature of Neuralink's brain chip implantation technique, which is essential for reducing risks and optimizing the device's efficacy. For this purpose, the company has created a highly advanced robotic surgical system that can perform complex procedures with amazing precision. The minuscule movements required to insert the incredibly thin threads, each with 1,024 electrodes into the intended brain regions, can be performed by this robotic assistant. This robotic system's precision is crucial because it greatly lowers the possibility of harming nearby neural tissue, which could cause issues or affect how well the device works. Because the threads are biocompatible and flexible, there is less chance of the body rejecting or inflaming them. This methodical approach guarantees that the electrodes are positioned to best capture relevant neural signals and improves procedure safety. Neuralink's dedication to developing neurosurgical techniques raises the bar for the safe and successful integration of brain implants into the human body, potentially revolutionizing neurosurgery and opening the door for further advancements in brain-computer interfaces. Number 4. Patient progress. Since the procedure, the first person to receive the Neuralink implant has shown impressive recovery, highlighting the device's potential to regain autonomy and enhance quality of life. Preliminary reports show that the patient, paralyzed below the shoulders, has effectively used the implant to play chess and pick up new languages, among other activities. These accomplishments demonstrate the device's capacity to decipher neural signals and convert them into meaningful actions, enabling previously unfeasible interactions between the patient and technology. The patient's development is being closely observed, and regular evaluations offer insightful information about the technology's long-term usefulness and efficacy. This initial success gives millions of people facing comparable obstacles hope and serves as a proof of concept for Neuralink's vision. Researchers are collecting data as the patient gets used to the implant, which will help improve the technology's applications and guide future iterations. This encouraging trend not only highlights how brain-computer interfaces can improve the lives of people with disabilities, but it also shows how cutting-edge technology can be successfully incorporated into daily life, opening the door for more people to embrace and use these innovations. Number 3. Long-term goals. Beyond the immediate goals of helping people with disabilities regain their mobility and communication, Elon Musk has much bigger plans for Neuralink. He sees a time when technology will allow artificial intelligence and human brains to communicate directly, perhaps greatly improving cognitive capacities. This audacious objective presents intriguing possibilities like enabling people to telepathically communicate, instantly access enormous volumes of information, or even work in real-time collaboration with AI systems. Education, healthcare, and the creative industries could all see major breakthroughs as a result of the potential to combine artificial and human intelligence. People might be able to receive individualized medical treatments based on real-time brain activity monitoring, for example, or learn new skills more quickly. Moreover, the incorporation of AI may facilitate decision-making processes, augmenting creativity and problem-solving skills. But realizing this goal will take a lot of study and development in addition to giving serious thought to the moral ramifications of using such potent technology. To guarantee that potential risks are minimized and that the benefits of such advancements are distributed fairly, cooperation between technologists, ethicists, and policymakers will be necessary. Number 2. Ethical and safety concerns. Neuralink's technology is a promising development, but there are important safety and ethical issues that need to be resolved. One of the main concerns is privacy with the increasing prevalence of devices that can read and interpret neural signals. Concerns about who has access to this sensitive data and its potential applications arise. Concerns are raised regarding the potential for data misuse, which could lead to illegal monitoring or thought manipulation, as well as the consequences for personal freedom and autonomy. Concerns concerning consent and the possibility of coercion also surface, especially with regard to vulnerable populations that might feel under pressure to use this technology. There are serious societal problems with the ethical ramifications of dividing society into those who can afford these improvements and those who cannot. In addition, there are still many unanswered concerns regarding the potential risks of infection, rejection, or unanticipated psychological effects from having such devices implanted in the brain. As society grapples with the potential consequences of this transformative technology, it will be imperative to have open discussions regarding the ethical implications of brain-computer interfaces to ensure that the development of such innovations is in line with societal values and ethical standards. Number 1. Future implications. Neuralink's technology has the potential to transform neurological disease treatment and pave the way for major advances in human enhancement if it proves to be effective and scalable. Furthermore, the incorporation of brain-computer interfaces into daily life may change the way humans engage with technology, resulting in more natural and intuitive user interfaces. But experts warn that it might still be years before such technology is widely available because it will need to pass stringent testing, receive regulatory approval, and be accepted by society. The implications of connecting human brains with computers will probably lead to significant conversations about the future of human enhancement, the morality of neurotechnology, and the place of technology in our lives as research and clinical trials move forward. As we move forward, it will be important to carefully assess how to use these developments for the good of society while addressing the risks and difficulties they may present. We also need to make sure that the development of neurotechnology is driven by moral standards and a dedication to improving human welfare. In conclusion, Neuralink's journey exemplifies a revolutionary fusion of neuroscience and technology, one that could revolutionize future developments in the field of human-computer interaction. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.